Can I film you? Yes, I saw that. Yes, thank you. This is March 25th, and there's the spirits coming to me. Thank you. See, this is growing. Thank you. Wow. It's coming towards me. It's all around. It's been here a while, and I came, as soon as I came out, good. There you go, thank you. Now it's here with me. This is incredible power. Yes, you see that, wow. And I'm sensing their presence so strongly right now, to where words just can't describe. Now, Easter's coming, and the energy's building, and I thank you. See, it hears me, and it's next to me. I'm going on a journey in a couple of weeks that I've been praying for their guidance and protection, and to be there with me. To guide my way, and they're here, they're listening, and I'm telling you, we haven't seen anything yet. Thank you. You see that? This is. Can I talk?
I can always do things on my spare time too. Weekends, like it's not going to require a full-time job to manage some money like that, or manage accounts like that. You know, it would just require it'd be like an extracurricular activity I can work on. You know?
Well, yeah, well, that's what I'm talking about. And right now I'm recording. I just turned my camera on because this really bright orb just appeared right over, it's almost over Emily's cabin right now. And what's the day? The 27th of June. Talking to my son Jeremy, and this orb is just beautiful. Look at that. Let me put this phone down a minute. I gotta try something. I gotta try this focus ring here. Oh, I had it in focus there. Alright, I gotta walk. I gotta stay up with it. It went behind the tree. I don't like wobbling this. It's right over our house now.
Mm-hmm.
It's not very big. It's, you know, like a bowling ball, and it's probably 400 or 500 feet at the most. It's over the pond now. Yeah. Wow. Anyhow.
They out about today. I can hear the wildlife, crickets and the frogs.
Yeah.
Such a peaceful sound, you know?
Yeah. This is my television. I don't have TV, so I enjoy it under the stars. There's the trees on the other side of the pond. And that's where it is. It's starting to fade, change colors now to a reddish color, and it's going to fade out. This is 27th of
June.
Yeah, June. Thank you.
You know,
this is June 23rd. It's Chris Jr. and I, and it has been crazy tonight. We had orbs in that tree right there, and orbs all around us. That one's low, isn't it, son?
It is. Lower than others today.
Yeah, we filmed a lot tonight, and I get some a little bit darker here where they don't.
We did have one that was lower. Actually,
Uh-huh.
That one's real low.
Yeah.
About as high as the clouds.
It's not as white. Blue. That last one was bluish white. That one. This one's more red orange. Wow. Thank you. This has been an incredible week and evening. You ever get? You're not trying to film that, are you? Or are you? Can you get it on your cell phone?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Wow. I filmed 3 at a time tonight, once or twice maybe. Two at a time I know as well. Now look, it's just decided suddenly it's going to phase out. And it does it very quickly.
I got it on
Thank
camera.
you. Thank you.
Disappeared.
June 23rd. And it's Chris Jr. and
Right in front of me.
which tree?
Now it's back this way.
Where?
There's probably multiple.
Where is it?
It was a lighter blue at the top of those trees.
I wonder
There it was.
yeah, I got it then.
Oh,
there you go. Yep.
that was a different one. That one was more red.
Oh, there it is.
There's one up high too, look. That's an airplane.
That's definitely an airplane.
Over there, over there.
Look, there was
To the right over the pond.
Flash in the sky.
I did too.
There's flashes over here. There's flashes in the sky.
Yeah, there it is.
To show up right
Are you seeing this?
Yeah, I'm getting it on film.
Over here. You see it?
There it
Just
was.
keep looking. They're flashing.
It was in the
That's all
tree.
I'm seeing.
Right here. Right in front of us. 20 yards away.
Yeah, right there.
Thank you.
This is a significant night. Wow.
There it was in the tree.
Thank you. People always are like, how do you communicate with them? This is how. We just thank them.
It's so pretty.
that one's kind of green.
Bluish.
And I got pictures, Ashley, of them in Sweden, and they look like little fairies.
Oh.
Me and Jenny saw them in Germany.
Are you seeing them, Jeremy?
Well, I saw them in Germany. We saw them in Arizona.
You see him, Jeremy?
Ryan, it's like the rook.
You see him?
The rook?
There it was.
Yeah. Top of this tree straight in front of me.
Here we go.
Right, it's getting darker.
Yeah, this is Father Day weekend. And I have about 15 people here.
That's a big one.
And we've been seeing them in the woods around us. Have y'all got eyes on this, guys?
Yes. Look at the illuminated field around it. And my eyes aren't very good, but it's illuminated around it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see that too.
Do you see that sucker?
This is what you're here for. This is what everybody comes to see.
Wait, so NASA actually
Change directions.
Yeah, it changed directions. It's heading north now.
It just changed directions.
It bounced direction.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, did you see that
Yes.
burst of speed?
Yes.
Wow.
It just like boosted and like
Now it's going back up.
down a little. It's moving.
Yeah, it's kind of rising up again.
Wow.
It's changing.
Look at the angle of that.
Isn't that crazy? It came out of the north.
See it dipping?
Yes, Dad.
It has a tail straight down.
Oh.
It has a tail.
That's what I'm saying.
Mosquitoes.
Illuminated.
Go straight
Dude,
down.
what the?
Wait, what are
Hey,
you seeing?
you see how irregular it's flying?
Oh,
You don't see it?
I see it, but I'm not seeing all the movement that y'all were seeing.
Yeah, you need
If you
to
sit
put
very
glasses on.
still, sit very, very still and watch it.
Wow. That sucker's doing this right here, man.
Yes.
It did go in a circle, or it actually did a 90-degree turn. Says it was coming from out of the north, and now it's heading northeast. It came from there and turned and went back down.
Whoa.
This is coming right at me. This is low too. This is June. I gotta get out of this chair. June 14th. June 14th. It's after 10 o'clock at night. It's coming directly over my head. I was just fixing to go in and I said goodnight, and this was there telling me goodnight. No joke. This is how they communicate. Thank you. It's just rolling right over the head. There's a pine tree at the head of the pond. It's just up over top of it right now. And it's not very high. It's not as big as you would think. About like a bowling ball. It's like on my book cover. I just had a coyote come out at me a minute ago. Come within 25 feet of me, and I stood up and shouted, and it went back in the woods. June 14, 2023. What a beautiful thing. This was telling me good night. It's after 10, going on 10:30 maybe, and I'm ready to go in. And